What's the meaning of beer nuts? Beer nuts. Beer nuts.
Beer nuts. Beer nuts. Beer nuts is a popular snack food that is typically consumed alongside alcoholic beverages, particularly beer. The nuts themselves are usually peanuts that have been roasted and salted to enhance their flavor. The term beer nuts can also be used colloquially to refer to someone who acts foolishly or recklessly under the influence of alcohol. In general, however, beer nuts is simply a snack that is enjoyed by many people when they're looking for something salty and crunchy to munch on while drinking beer or other alcoholic beverages. Its popularity is due to its satisfying texture and delicious flavor, making it a staple snack for many social gatherings.